So, coming at you with some, unsolicited advice that no one asked for, but I'm going to tell you anyways, because I like to pride myself on being a pretty clean person. And just been routinely going through the house, doing some checklists, looking at some stuff, seeing what we need to do. And then I come across our humidifier filter. See that? See that? That's gunk. Folks, you're supposed to change these once a year. It's not supposed to look like that even after a year. So, I'll show you how to take care of your problem real quick. Because I like to pride myself on being a pretty clean person. And just been routinely going through the house, doing some checklists, looking at some ways. Because I like to pride myself on being a pretty clean person. And just been routinely going through the house, doing some checklists, looking at some stuff, seeing what we need to do. And then I come across our humidifier filter. See that? See that? That's gunk. Folks, you're supposed to change these once a year. Did anybody know this? Am I just learning that this is what you're supposed to do to your filter? This is what the inside looks like. So you pop that filter out. There's a color on the top. So just make sure you match that color. Yeah. Make sure you match that color to when you go insert it. So the whole thing just comes out. And then I'm going to clean it with some vinegar and hot water. Again, was I the only person that knew this was like supposed to happen? Okay, now that I've taken out the filter, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go in and clean all this out here in a minute. Typically, your hose that runs would look like this. Nice and clean, right? Well, when you've neglected to notice that you have crap water, this is what it looks like. And then that's what it looks like in your drain. I have been told that you can just clean that out. I ain't cleaning that out. No. See, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to replace it. So this should be really interesting. Stay tuned.